Hey everyone, hope you're having a spectacular day. I've just got back from a motorbike ride and I thought I would do a quick balance. I've got a couple of clients this afternoon, but before they start, I thought I muscle tested up a couple of things, and the two tuning forks that tested up for me were heart meridian, which is about love, self-worth, but also being able to put love out there into the universe, to other people, to the energy, to spiritual connection, to love and light and health and happiness. And the other one was gallbladder energy. Now, gallbladder energy is about externalized rage and anger. So that anger that's palpable, you know it's there. And if you get on a topic, you can just go and ramp yourself up, and then you don't sleep for three nights in a row. Do I look like I've had 6 hours sleep the last few nights? Anywho, so basically, then when I muscle tested up what that was about, so it's heart energy, gallbladder energy. Underneath that was about fear. So once again, let's just, it's been 15 months. Are you frickin' sick of it? I am. It's never going away unless we all choose our sovereignty, unless we all choose to love one another, unless we all choose to allow those who want to do what they want to do it, and allow those who choose not to do stuff to not to do stuff. So anyway, it felt like a bit of because there's someone in my life who I love very, very much who I'm losing at the moment because of my beliefs. And sorry, here I go. So I know I need to let go of my ego to allow it all to happen. I know I need to look after my heart energy. I'm angry that it's come to this because I feel like this has been such a year of divisiveness, which we have discussed before. So it's like that is being pushed on us. Everything on the media, everything in the newspaper, everything our politicians are saying, they are pushing people to hate each other. They're pushing people not to trust each other. They're pushing people not to trust their immune systems. They're pushing people not to trust science that's been around for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years about all sorts of things. And they're pushing this new scientism. I listened to Amazing Polly this morning. If you can find it, it's fantastic. Or actually, the other little thing was MIT has, in January this year, I think they released it, or maybe anyway, whatever. So there was a 6-month research paper from where they looked at data from March to September last year, so 6 months. And it was anyone who wasn't following the narrative. So it was looking at statistics of people who anti. So that's sort of what they called it. But anyway, it was very interesting because Amazing Polly, she pulled it all apart. She read this entire, or not the entire thing, but she read apart this research paper. And basically what they were saying is that governments around the world aren't doing a good job at sharing data because people who are analysing the data correctly aren't believing the narrative. So I highly, highly, highly recommend you find that. If I can find it on BitChute, I'll put it on here. It's pretty nice. It's a pretty cool little. And I was also listening to Dylan, that Canadian doctor. There's a Canadian doctor who's a beautiful heart energy guy, Dr. David Wolfe. So Dylan, Dr. Wolfe were on this morning live chatting, and they were talking about how quickly everything's moving, which of course, everyone knows how quickly. And even those people who are willing to give up all of their freedom to feel safe, that's still a choice. And that is absolutely fine. It's a choice to stay in fear. It's a choice to grab your, go your hardest. I'm going to keep fighting to keep people I love and to keep my clients and to keep myself and my loved ones happy, healthy, and safe. I'm going to keep fighting to do that, and I will do it till the day I die. Anyway, Amazing Polly, fantastic. Dr. Wolf and Dell, Fantastic. Okay, I'll do this. Oh, sorry. Anyway, sorry for that. But let's do a fear-based one.